Can you buy a house for rent the same way you can buy an apartment building? This is the question I get a lot. Clients ask me when they want to look for their first rental property, how the heck do I do it? What am I looking for? Where am I going? What am I doing? So I'm Maureen Mahood, broker owner of Sell Your Home Charlotte here in beautiful Charlotte, North Carolina. And I've invested in several properties over the past 8 years and done some flips and have some rentals. And I just want to say the first thing you need to do is define your personal criteria for your real estate purchases. This is a vital step in successful real estate investing. It is so important for you to start asking yourself these kinds of questions before you buy your first property. And what are they? I'm going to go over them now. What is your real estate investment strategy? Are you a buy hold? Are you a house flipper? Or are you a wholesaler? Number 2, your goal on cash to cash returns. This is the level of cash flow you want to achieve with your investment. Number 3, your budget may be surprisingly difficult to define. Every house is different and you have to run the numbers on every single home. Number 4, property size. Single family, townhouse, condominium, fourplex, multiplex. What do you want to do? Number 5, desired property characteristics. What are these characteristics that you can give your realtor before beginning the process of buying your first rental? Now, buying your first rental can be enjoyable or it can be a nightmare. If you don't know what you're looking for and you don't know what to tell your realtor, you can end up with something that is not going to work. So I understand this because I've already walked down this path. I have been investing in residential real estate for the last 8 to 10 years. So when I help someone, I can identify for them the trials and tribulations that are going to happen when they purchase a property. No property is perfect. So if you want to chat about this, give me a call. And if you're thinking about buying a house to live in or a house to invest in or both, don't worry, I am here to help. And there's no pressure or obligation to meet with me. I'm only here to help you find your best strategy when it comes to selling or buying real estate. Again, I'm Maureen Mahood, broker owner of Sell Your Home Charlotte. And remember, nobody sells Charlotte like we do.